going to jail.
You're gonna get tased. You're gonna get tased. Taser.
On May 19, 2025, deputies with the Marion County Sheriff's Office attempted to arrest a woman wanted on multiple felony warrants out of Volusia County, Florida. According to authorities, the suspect refused to cooperate and took off running during the arrest attempt, leading deputies into a brief foot pursuit.
So, yeah, she's being unsuccessfully discharged. So whenever they unsuccessfully discharge them, Volusia County issues a warrant for pickup. And then they come get her from the jail and take her back to Volusia County.
So she was here on probation.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
I got you.
Yeah.
Why am I going to jail?
Because we have had to have many conversations with you, Trinity.
I haven't been doing anything.
Yes, sweetheart, yes, you have. You just went off on staff yesterday. You
No,
went
I
off
didn't.
So everyone's lying on you, Trinity?
I did not go off on staff yesterday. I was completely respectful yesterday.
No, you were not, baby. This has been an ongoing issue. And you remember I had a conversation with you and we talked about it? We have tried to help you time after time and we're not seeing any changes. So from our clinical standpoint, we don't feel like you are ready right now for
Miss
this.
Latrice, I am. I've really been trying to do better, please.
Trinity, baby. We just had, staff was just telling me today how you got upset. And you were disrespectful. It's an everyday thing, Trinity. So at this moment, Volusia County Drug Court has put out a warrant, and then Marion County has to take you into custody to Volusia County to get you.
Once they put out a warrant, we ain't got a choice in the matter.
Yeah. So I can get her cell phone, your ID.
I had 3 phones. I had my ID, my phone numbers. Pixie got 2 of my shoes.
So you can't take all that stuff with you. But can she take the phones?
Yeah, by all
Okay, so
means.
I'll get your phones and your medication.
Okay, and my phone numbers is in a pink planner on my dresser.
I don't know.
Yes, you can take the
Okay.
planner.
So we'll get that for you. It's in a pink planner?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll get that and we'll give it to the officer to take with you.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, Trinity, let's jump over here. Nuh-uh, this way.
I'm not going to jail.
You're gonna get tased. You're gonna get tased. Taser. Lay on the ground. Right now, you're gonna get it again. Lay on the ground, or you're gonna get it again. 6-2-14, 10-31, taser deployed. You're gonna get it again. Roll over on your stomach.
Moving it out of my pants.
Roll over on your stomach now. I got another cartridge if you do that. Put your hand behind your back. Do not move. Do you understand me? You didn't have to do any of that. All right, I'm gonna roll you on your side, and then we're gonna stand up, okay? Put your legs underneath you. Now we'll roll up and stand, okay? Got it? One second. Really wish you wouldn't have done all that. We're gonna go on this passenger side. I'll get you in the shade.
My handcuffs in the front, please.
Absolutely not. You just ran from me. If you hadn't ran from me, then yes. All right. Hang tight for a second. I'm gonna pull this other probe out of you. All right, have a seat. I got Matt to come check you out, okay? Pick me up. So, she decided to run from me and got tased in the back. Unfortunately, it was on the pavement, so she got a little scuff up on her face.
Was this here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so.
Is she for sure going?
Oh, yes. Don't run off now.
Where am I going to go on the fucking handcuffs?
6-2-14. We're jumping. No, just.
Authorities say the woman was transported to the Marion County Jail, where she now faces multiple charges tied to the incident, including resisting arrest in addition to her outstanding warrants. No deputies were seriously injured during the encounter. As always, all suspects are presumed innocent, until proven guilty in a court of law. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more real police body cam footage from across the United States, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching.